pain subsided on its own, when expectations from loved ones diminished. I fulfill all my wishes every night. I put myself to sleep first, but every morning she wakes up before me. What is the use of that height, sir? Humans rise and humanity descends. It burns deep inside. Those complaints which are not expressed. Some people even mislead with their destination. It is not good to ask directions from everyone. Being angry with us only makes us happy. Sorrows don't have that many tantrums. I do it with great difficulty, the business of your memories. Profits are low, but one has to make ends meet. If you have a heart, then there will be pain. If there is pain, then there will be heart also. Seasons keep passing. Hang out together. We both spent the whole night. People make me wander, and it is called moon. Something burns in the heart. Maybe smoke looks like smoke. Something stings in the eye. Maybe the dream is burning. Looks like life is a bit sad. Come on, this is the first time. I never thought life would be like this. We'll meet again to live. Eyes will feel thirsty. To drink your own tears. There is a lot to be gained in this life. That's all we count, which could not be achieved. Life is just lonely like this. The convoy is together and the journey is alone. Someone is asking me the value of my life. I remember you smiling softly. Sometimes life passes in a moment, and never a moment of life passes. It seems like a silent wound. Life seems like a poem. After a dream is shattered, the courage to dream another dream is life. There is a beat of yours in my heart. I swear by that heartbeat, you are my life. In every breath of mine there is a breath of you. If my breathing ever stops, I will die. Age says, let's be serious now. Heart says, some foolishness and right. I have a bet to die. If you want to live, then you have to live in love wherever my body may be. There is life in me, friend. Don't even think about living. You will have to handle the pain. If you smile, you will have to repay the debt of smiling. There is moisture in the eyes since evening. Missing you again today. Bury us so we can breathe. The pulse has stopped for some time now. Every night I put all my desires to sleep before myself, but every morning she wakes up before me. I felt relieved after looking in the mirror. Does anyone know us in this house? Time does not stand still. His habits are also like those of a man. We have often come across your path, stopped and waited for myself. Every moment after you, spent with you. Then we will have to go back there again. What a release man has given. If you want to do something different, move away from the crowd. Crowds give courage but take away identity. Good books and good people do not understand immediately. They have to study. I asked in a hushed voice. Have you started loving? She said with her eyes lowered. Very. I have given. My enmity is only with darkness. The wind is against me without any reason. These memories are spoiled. Goes out for a walk late at night. I have heard that you are quite educated. Sometimes read what we cannot say. He lowered several paper boats into the water and she left saying that we will meet in the sea. We don't even remember now. How did you get hiccups? This is how someone spends his day, like someone returns a favor. I have cried on some rooftop, suffocated alone. The rain that fell on my lips was salty. If there is a heart, then there will be pain too. There is probably no solution to this. Sometimes someone from the square looks at us. We can also see the weight in someone's eyes. Nothing has changed since you left. Night came and the moon was also there, but no sleep.